This is that clearing I was working on down in the bottom with our deer stand. It's all grown up now, but I'm gonna brush hog some of this and try to put a food plot in. Oh, we're off to a good start. It's a lot wider back there than it looks. And then I'll come down here and till this all up and plant a nice food plot. Getting her cleared. So I got this all cleared. There was a little bit here that I still wanted to get cut back. It's all cut back now. I cut back probably another 20 feet. Kids are gonna come down here and burn this old pile we used to cut by hand before I had this brush hog. It's all mowed down. This is a good area in here. This is gonna be, my buddy next door, Greg's gonna come over, run the harrow rake through here, get this all worked up. And then I got a couple stumps in here I got to dig out with the mini excavator. He's going to bring the harrow rake over, rake it, and then we're going to plant clover, maybe some other stuff down here, make a nice little food plot. But that brush hog for the low flow machine, quick attach, that thing is sweet. Like I said, it's low flow, but that thing will take down some good sized trees. It'll eat logs on the ground. I mean, I cleared this whole place down here with it in a reasonable amount of time. That thing does a really good job. I could keep going back, but I don't want to make this too big down here. I want to keep it kind of tight. The deer will like all how thick it is. It's funny because once you get past all this thickness, the woods open up pretty nice, but like right down in here it's real thick, and they're gonna love it in here with the cover. So, and we'll have to address that. That box stand there is kind of rough. Get it fixed up. All right,
guys, Marcus the Carcass here from MK Hauling. Now today we just shot the video of us demolishing trees with a skid steer and brush hog. And I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I would really like it if you would like, subscribe, and smash your face into that like button. Thank you for watching. Continue watching MK Hauling videos. To see whenever there's a new bell, make sure to hit the bell button so you can get a new bell.
I know the book, I know the book. Stop